Hello and welcome hippophils. My name is Shoshana and this is Horse Lily Co. I wanted to make videos to be of benefit to new equestrians and those interested in learning the basics of horse riding and horse care. When you first start riding, you may hear words and terms thrown around such as correct your diagonal, tracking up, tack, frog, that may make your head spin. So I wanted to do something to help you improve and broaden your horse journey experience as you first begin working with horses. Remember that proper horsemanship should be more than just the hours you spend in the saddle, but also encompass what you do on the ground, in the stables, and in the tack room, and even what you learn at home during your time away from the barn. This is Horse 101, and we begin with the anatomy of a horse. Beautiful, strong, agile, graceful, elegant, swift. These are just some of the adjectives to describe the appearance and movement of a horse. These animals have captivated humans for thousands of years as we have sought to bring them and ourselves into a closer relationship. Physically, horses are similar to us in the fact that they have organ, bones, muscles, hair, etc. But unfortunately, since I am no veterinarian, I am not going to dive into the skeleton and muscles of a horse, but perhaps another time. Instead, I'm going to focus on the main outward parts of the horse that you will hear mentioned and need to know yourself. Let's begin. We will proceed one by one. Poll. The poll is going to be the area that is just behind the ears and in between the ears. Forelock. The forelock is the tuft of hair that rests on the forehead of the horse. Think of this as the bangs of the horse. The muzzle of the horse includes the nose, the mouth, and the lips. Shoulder, chest, elbow, forearm, knee, cannon bone, coronet. This is a band between the skin and the hard hoof wall. The fetlock is a joint and is like the ankle of the horse. Hoof, easy enough to remember. Pastern, hock. The tail consists of the dock, which is that bony muscular part just at the top, and the skirt, the flowing beautiful part of the tail. Thigh, buttock, point of hip. If you happen to be grooming your horse or massaging your horse, it is very easy to feel those bones. Barrel, back. The withers is the ridge above the shoulders and just behind the shoulders. Mane, which can, in my opinion, be very fun to braid. And here is the completed diagram. Feel free to pause and review until you have everything memorized. However, if a printout would be more beneficial to you, just let me know in the comments and I will go ahead and upload one for you to access. This concludes our video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you learned something beneficial. If you have anything that you would like to share or add about this video, go ahead and comment below. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and go ahead and ring that bell.